In this video, we're playing Subway Surfers. Yeah, we are. So, what's so good about Subway Surfers? Okay, this is the Washington, D.C. And you see, that is not what I wanted to do. Let's just try that again. Is there anything else you want me, you guys want me to do? Comment down below and I will check. And we'll play some with it. Alright. Let's see, is there anything else? Where can I find you? What's this? Not right now, Harry. Harry, not right now. So if we're gonna do the floor is lava. We're gonna play as this dude. Okay, so we're gonna. If I lose, this video ends. I'm telling you guys, if I fall into the lava, the video ends. If I fall into the lava 2 times, the video ends, okay? This soundtrack kind of sounds a bit good. Ooh, the level difficulty had decreased. Better not touch lava. Okay, let's see. It won't burn hot, right? Give me the pogo stick. Okay, got the pogo stick. Oh no, the level difficulty. Oh no. Wow, it's getting higher. Yo, I'm going even more faster. It's getting higher. Well, this is my last chance, guys. Sorry guys, I have to watch an ad. Whoops, I think I forgot to turn on the internet. Okay.
Hello everyone, I'm the new manager here and I've got big plans for our supermarket. First, we're expanding the store to make room for more products. Next, we'll rearrange the layout and bring in a wider variety of goods to attract
Guys, this ad is not what I wanted. Sorry guys. I had to try again because this is my last chance. If I fall into the lava again, this
On
video
opening
will
day,
end
the results were
soon.
amazing. Shoppers
If I fall
flooded
into
in,
the
and the
lava.
store was buzzing with energy.
Okay, no time
Play
for
my
these ads.
supermarket.
Get out of here. Ads. Get out. I'm gonna close this. No, thank you. And let's play again. Boing. Boing. Oh no, I gotta run from the guard. He'll catch me with his... Why is this dog made out of metal? And then keep jumping. Okay. The difficulty is going higher in any second. And I'm going faster. Ooh, I nearly got into the lava. That was so close. If I fall into the pure lava, I would die. Oh no, this is not good. Ouch, that kind of hurt. Well, guys, I guess we lost. Well, let's share you the prize box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. _bro, subscribe and like. _bro, peace.